What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Uh I didn't have really good day today or yesterday. So yesterday I did lose my daily loss, and today I lost my daily loss again. And I'll go over what happened, and I will show you the trade that I took. So yesterday I did not put a video out because it was a bit late and I was busy with other stuff. But it's basically I tried in to FOMO play at the end of the leg or the play or the trade setup or whatever, and I ended up losing my daily loss, which is not fun. And the trade that I took was let me see. So yesterday is the 17th. Right here. So the trade that I took was right here, and I can show you my executions. It was in here, and I tried to wait for this to inverse, and I took the trade on this candle, and I was targeting this high. It was very high in premium. Even if we inverses this gap, it can easily retrace to any of these gaps or this big inversion fair value gap, which what happened, and then we bounced up. A FOMO trade on my part, really bad psychology and mentality, and I hate it. And today it's so devastating for me because I was up and then I lost it all because you can say, tried to chase FOMC, and it's not fun. FOMC still playing. It's really nasty price action. So first trade that I took, and I have a video recording of it right here, that this is today, and I longed from down here. I'm showing here in the video that this is 15 minutes fair value gap. We came down to it to retrace after pumping all that, and I saw an inversion, and it worked perfectly fine to this high, and I even was greedy enough to push it up and up and up, and it did not hit my final target, or I did not take any partials. And overall, I was hoping for more so I can make up for my losses yesterday. I was not looking just to make $200 and that's it. I was looking to make more, maybe $500 or so we can cover my yesterday's loss from my FOMO play that I took. But this is where you get like ifed up every single time. The moment you think about money is where everything goes downhill, at least for me. I'm not sure about you guys, but I'm very upset at myself because I can take some good plays. I can take or read the price action pretty well and all, but what defines or distinguish a trader and what's different between a trader and another trader is how they mentally cope with their psychology. And I feel like this is the most important thing about trading, and is the hardest thing about trading, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know. So as you can see, I saw those big candle pop up, which they are in my direction. They're pretty good, and I extend it to the next high, 350 bucks. Was I satisfied by that? Nope. I was wanting more. Did we hit that? Don't remember, but I can make the a little faster here. So I eventually extended a little bit more, and I believe we hit that high. Extended a little bit more to this high to make 500 bucks. Yay! But we ended up taking that out and retracing all the way back down. I had hopes to pump a little bit more higher here, and if I had made $500, prior to FOMC, I would not have touched FOMC and I would have locked my account. And that's something that I was thinking about, right? So as you can see, I trailed it a little bit up in profit, so I'm securing my 200 bucks, right? And this candle takes me out, and then it's fine to take me out because I know if it takes me out, then it's not right, and it runs all the way down. And that was around 12:30 my time, which is 1:30 New York time. It's prior to FOMC by 30 minutes, right? And the next trade I took is during FOMC. And here's the trade I took. Let me get you the recording. So here's the recording. FOMC pumps up. And what do I see? What do I want to see? And what I was hoping to take out with this pump, and it continues pumping up and up. I jumped in 1 micro. I was like, listen, I have my equal highs up here on the 4 hours. This is a clear target, equal highs, and I would hate the FOMC candle to take it out without me. What did I do? 1 micro. Let me get in. That's a FOMO play. I'm fearing the price to take out this trade idea from me and leave me without anything. And it's really sad to see because I was green on the day, and then with 1 micro, eventually 2 micro, because it retraced a bit down, I was like, it's gonna pump it back up. Let me just take 1 more micro in it and just average in. All right, that's fine. Go ahead. So at this moment, instead of me having personal daily loss at $200, I have the $200 plus the money that I made earlier before FOMC. So daily loss limit of $400, and I get it blown, all of it. Eventually the price never went back up there again, and it kept pumping, or not pumping, but moving lower and lower. And I did not want to average anymore because I know that I am in the wrong here, but I'm hoping that the price can retrace to that big fair value gap and then maybe pump up again. That's the 50% retracement that I've marked. And then the price came back down. I was like, this is going to be turtle soup. We're gonna inverse this bearish fair value gap. Never happens. Never happens. So here is what happened, right? Thought this would be a turtle soup. Yeah, sure enough, price runs down. Negative 330 and negative 400. So locked my personal daily loss. Really sad day for me. I really hate myself for doing that, to be honest. I can be a good teacher and all. I can show you strategies and why not. I can give you tips and tricks on what is working and what's not working, but at the end of the day, a trader has a good, really good psychology, and if you don't have a really good psychology, then you're gonna get wrecked every single time, just like me. What I'm looking for to improve, because I'm not gonna beat myself to it. I've been in losing streaks before. Trading is about losing and winning. That's fine. To be honest, if I can change one thing about what I did today, is I would change the approach that I got in this trade. I always know that if we pump, at some point we're retracing back down. So I could have waited for a retracement to the upsides, just like that. It happened to fully inverse this big bearish bullish fair value gap, and by that time maybe I would not have been interested in it anyway. But I blindly longed up here, hoping that we're going to take out the buy side liquidity, which is this equal highs. There was equal highs here. I don't know why it's not showing properly on this contract. But this was an equal high that on the other previous contract. And it's really tough day for me. Really bad psychology. I feel like the times that I lose, it's purely psychology. Purely psychology. FOMO, chase, taking it way too high, not supposed to be trading that setup or whatever. I really do good on my own in taking setups that has meanings behind it, just like this 15 minutes. This 15 minutes fair value gap retracement, and then looking at here that finding beautiful long setup to the upside, taking out the safest low-hanging fruit, and then maybe this one. But why am I being greedy, and why am I I don't know. I really need to work on my psychology because it is killing me. It's not about making money anymore, because the more you think about making money, the more the market will take you up and down on a roller coaster and make you hate yourself for it. I really hate myself for keep listening to my bad side of taking a trade when I'm not supposed to, and taking a trade when there's no setups behind it, taking a chase entry, taking a FOMO trade. I really had enough of that. And I don't know. It's good, but at the same time, like, I am good at trading, but psychology side of trading, I am not that good. I'm not that well, and I need to work on it to be a better trader. It's really rough when you know yourself you're a good trader, but psychology is the number one thing that is holding me down. And I don't know what to say, to be honest. Did not save. I don't know, guys, if I don't know if you guys faced this problem before. I know every single trader goes through these cycles, and I am accepting it, but it's really hard to work on it and improve it and avoid these things when you see at the end of the day you're here to make money. So focusing on the money is really hard to avoid. Not focusing on it, it's really hard to avoid, because you're in it for the money anyway. No matter what you say, you're in it for the money. And I do very well when I stop thinking about the money. I do very, very well. I don't know. That's all I have for you today. That I wanted to share this and be 100% transparent and share my good, all the goods, all the bads, all the ugly about trading. And trading is not easy. The difference between trading and gambling is just one tick off of being a gambler or a real trader, of following your rules, your analysis, reading the money, reading the tape, the price action well, all it takes is one tick away from that, from you being a gambler. And this is exactly what I did today. When your psychology takes over, when your bad psychology takes over, you're a gambler, not a trader. And if you want to make money just gambling, good luck with that. I wish you all good luck. But from my mentality, from what I am aiming for, I am here for the long game, and I should do better. And I know I should do better. This chase entry up here was dumb, and I even took it at the end of the move. It's not even a good chase entry. I should have waited for the retracement to the downside like this. Seeing the bullish fair value gap getting inversed and then going up, maybe that's not a good long anymore. It's okay. Anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys, because anyone on the internet that shows you only the good butterflies, roses about trading, they're lying. I can bet my whole life on it, they're lying. You're never going to be a profitable trader if you keep thinking about the money. And that's what I did. That's why I lost. When I don't think about the money and take real good setups and confluences behind it, it gets me to win every single time. Even if I take a loss, I will improve and learn from it, other than just taking a crappy entries. And that's going to be the end of the video. I'm not gonna keep holding you for too long. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.